In today's watch, our society has witnessed a tremendous growth with the vision of living, but with revolution. A serious concern has taken over the society, that is, the de-stressing fact that we have to confront issues related to our mental health, that is, stress. In order to sustain a healthy life, stress management is very prominent. Foremostly, it's necessary to identify the stress one is suffering. It can be categorized into two types of stress, that is, acute and chronic stress. Acute stress is the result of short-term pressure which does not have time to do the extensive damage related to long-term stress. For example, emotional distress, which includes anger, irritability, etc. On the other hand, chronic stress deals with the stress of unrelenting demands and pressures for a longer period of time. For example, an unhappy marriage, which can push one to harm themselves. When stress develops in the mind, it starts to create an array of illness, from the normal cold to severe heart disease. As stress involves, it can hamper one's focus, strength, and stability. The stress management largely depends on the accountability by taking charge of one's own emotions, schedule, and environment. Stress can be handled with some benefiting techniques as meditation, which enables an individual to calm the mind and examine the inner peace. It acts as the core organ of motivation to make a healthy change in the life. Cardio exercises also help to relieve stress. Physical exercises, which includes walking, skipping, and indulging in any sports, can make you stress-free and can improve self-esteem and induce sleep. Yoga, which includes a series of postures and breathing exercises, could have a good control over the body as well as in mind. Next, meditation is a good practice. Through meditation, we can increase our concentration level, improve our emotional balance, and obviously a good way of controlling stress. Another suggestive measure is to go on a vacation with your family or friends, or engaging yourselves in some recreational activities like watching movies, attending concerts, involving in sports or games, and so on, which really can help you transcend into a happier mental state. It can really help in de-stressing your worries. Taking a walk around the nature, that too in a pristine environment, can also make your mind calm and body healthy. It gives you a good sort of relaxation. To conclude with, there is such a social pressure boomed in the society related to the mental health conflicts that one is scared to admit to these issues. There are many other reasons behind the mental disturbance, which can be childhood traumas, peer pressure, academic pressure, and poor relationship between the parents. According to a study, there is a massive shortage of trained staff for addressing mental health problems, and there are only 4,000 trained doctors for mental health in the country, according to a NIMHAS report, which is largely in urban areas. If people handle stress effectively, this can provide a lot of advantages to them. But if it is mishandled, this may lead to a heap of problems in their life. Stress is a common problem in this modern era, and there is no way to escape. So managing the stress is the only solution. Thank you.